It's me, Kicha. Welcome to Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. Today, I got a package. My father ordered something. I didn't know what it is. So here's the package. Here it is. It's from Amazon.in. As you can see, it's for Nihal Raj Kicha El Rakuram, and I can't wait to see what's inside. It looks something tightly packed into the box. The cutter. Kids, don't play with knives. That's the only thing I have to say to you. But I'm a kid, so I don't know. It's nicely packed by Amazon, and this is from Amazon Prime. Yes. And this is, whoa! It's a money bank, an electronic money bank. Let's see what's else inside. Airbags. Whoa, that was loud. Next one. Whoa! I love doing that. It's an ATM machine where it says press password, revolve, open the door. Press to open the safe, press 0000. Choose your own secret code. Keypad with lights. The light turns on when you open or close the door. Option, sound or voice. Requires 3 AA batteries not included. Papa, do you have batteries? Oh, you're ready with these batteries for the surprise, huh? So these are the minions over here. I only know 3. This is Kevin, Bob, Stuart, and a random minion. So it's time to open it up. But before that, it has light and sound, and it's 3 and above. So it's safe for 3 years and above. Let's open it. Let's see. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Flop. This box will be here. This looks so cool. So here it has a small sticker. Looks really nice. It's a yellow and white. So this really looks like the ATMs in the banks. I go with my father to the ATM, but my father doesn't allow me to touch it. But now I can touch this how much I want. Yeah. You can also have your own ATM too. And I have my own ATM. So here it fit in these 3 AA batteries. Papa, do you have screwdrivers? Thank you, Papa. Spinning off. Yes. Open sesame. We got 3 batteries. These are Duracell Ultra battery. They last for super long. Once I did use these in one of my game controllers, and they last for about 3 days. Okay, so this is negative, positive, positive, negative, and this is negative, positive. Let's close it in on this. This is really difficult. Oh, I got an idea. How stupid am I? Keep it like this. So gravity affects it the opposite way. So let's get the gap on. This one. Nicely. Now we have our ATM bank ready. Let's try opening it. Yes! Whoa! Did you guys see that? So this is to put 000. So they have this squeaking sound. So when a criminal comes and tries to take your money, you'll hear this squeaking sound. Pew, pew, pew. You'll wake up and you'll catch the criminal. So that's the fun thing about this. And they said to press this button and a red light will come. So in that you press the code. Guys, I'm only telling you the code. 1111. I think now will work. Hello? That's right. Yes! So that's how to change the passcode too. Papa, can you give me some money? Some pocket money? Thank you, Papa. And let's put this note inside. So it takes it in actually. As you can see, it's like a heater. It takes in the money like that. It should take it in. This one is new. It's a really good mechanism, and that too there's a coin section over here. Papa, could you give me some coins? Thank you, Papa. Here, you can just okay, so this is a really good thing, and I really love it. It's a good machine to save up your money. So when I grow up, I can take all of this money out, and I can save it, and I can buy a house, I can buy food, I can buy everything. So this is a life-saving bank or a piggy bank. Criminal comes into your house and wants to take your money. He writes a passcode. But it says "oh" really loud, so you can hear him and come and beat him up. It also shows a red light over here that can inform you that you're wrong password. I'll show you again how to reset your password. So first, if you write a wrong number, it shows a red light over here and says "oh," and that too how to change the password. And shows a green light like this and makes the music when you make the password correct. So when you want to change the password, you open this up. So over here you press this button when you want to change. Write 0, 0, 0, 0 and write the hash. The blinking stops. Then you close it, and when you write your passcode, new passcode will come. And there's a squeaking sound when you open it. So in this, you can store a lot of money. As you can see, you can dump all of this in. My aunt got it for me, but it broke. I'm happy I got a new one. As you can see here. You know, there's one reason I like this. When you dial a number, as you can see, there are backlights. So there are 2 lights here, 2 lights here. So that's a really good part about it. Well, thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. Please do subscribe to Kicha Tube, and this is Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. Bye boys and girls. Mwah.